Hey everybody, I have a pretty short video to share with you guys. So recently I had picked up or purchased some Stamperia molds, and you could see that they are very thin, and they're not the typical silicone molds that I normally use, and I didn't realize that when I bought them. So I did a little research and I found that Stamperia has some sort of paste that you use with this. And then I got to thinking that about a year or so ago, Finnabair had shared that you can use the icing paste with the embossing folders, and the molds feel just like the embossing folders. So I thought, you know what? I will give it a try and hope for the best. And it worked really, really great, as you could see. But I do have a couple tips for you if you are going to use any type of icing paste or any other type of paste in these molds. So you definitely need to have a generous amount. And I found that when I am adding the paste to the mold, I want to start off with a thin layer first and build up the layers as I go. That way it's easier to make sure that every little nook and cranny is getting that paste in there, because these are pretty detailed. And I picked these molds up from Nikki. She has an Etsy shop. It is Disorganized Crafter, and it will be linked down below. As of right now, I see that the clock is in stock. The clock mold is in stock, but the other one, I don't know what it's called, but it's not in stock. But I'm sure she will probably be getting it back in stock soon. All right, so after I add the first layer and get in all of those nooks and crannies and grooves in the mold, I am going to add another layer of the paste. And then after that, I will add one more layer. This paste needs to be really thick because it is water-based. And I think what happens is when it starts evaporating, it kind of folds into the nooks and crannies. It's hard to explain, but once I pull out the finished dried paste, you'll probably see what I'm talking about. It ends up not being flat on the backside, as you could see. You could see that it kind of gets in all of those nooks and crannies. So it really needs to be thick. So this dried probably for 36 hours because the paste was really, really thick. And then you just peel it off. It's really simple to do. And if you have any leftover paste in your mold like I do, I will just kind of rinse it off and maybe get like a toothbrush or something to get in there and get it all out. But Abby wanted to be in the end of the video and share because she waited forever. She kept asking me, is it dry? Is it dry? She thought it was the coolest thing. But anyways, I will have the links down below so you guys can check it out. If you are new to my channel, I hope you subscribe and hit that bell so you're notified every time that I upload a video. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below letting me know if you have any Stamperia molds and if you like them, what you do with them. And I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.